Jules, wait up!
Going somewhere, pretty bird?
Oh, yeah. I was just on my way to claw your eyes out.
Temper. Now come along, my dear. We're going to a parade. Everybody loves a parade.
Hey, get back here! Ain't nobody messing with Fred and Pedro. I ain't having it. It's on. It's on. Come on. Did you see the talons on that guy? Talons? Maybe it's on next time. Then I saw this big cockatoo with big ninja talons. This cockatoo was ugly. But anyway, that's the point. And then Jewel was there, and he snatched Jewel up, like, and snatched her up. And then he was like, "You coming with me, you little princess?" And Jewel was like, "Whoosh, whoosh. I ain't your princess, leave me alone." And I was like, "What?" And then he was like, "What?"
Stop! Just tell me what happened.
He got Jewel, man.